Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithms, and systems to extract insight from structured and unstructured data. It involves data collection for gathering raw data from various sources, data cleaning for handling missing values, duplicates, and inconsistencies, data analysis for identifying patterns and trends in the data. Also, we have machine learning for creating predictive models using AI algorithms. In the data visualization, the aforementioned data or the processed data will be representing through charts, graphs, and plots. In the data science, we are using Pandas, a powerful Python library used for data manipulation and analysis. It provides two key data structures, a series and a data frame. Series are the one-dimensional labeled array. Also, the data frames are a two-dimensional table with labeled rows and columns. An example is our Excel sheet or a CSV file. The pandas are capable to handle the data, indexing and slicing the data. Then we are good to transform the data. So it can be integrated easily with NumPy, a multidimensional array processing data science library, a matplotlib. It's a very powerful tool to visualize or creating the charts and plots, and many more libraries. We will discuss each and every components in detail. Good day guys, my name is Melvin Satishan. So we would be starting our data science series here. For that, we have created a data science repository in our GitHub. Then we have provided a nice introduction description in our repository readme.md file. Then we have logged into Mokaru website for collecting our sample data. So we would be playing with this sample data collected from the mokaru.com, and in this site you can create JSON sample data or SQL data, and you can just download it in the form of CSV or XLX, whatever it is. Once we have done all these things, we have copied or cloned this repository to our local VDI. Now in this VDI, we are going to create a Python notebook. Just create a Python notebook here. This is our day one exercise. And also we copied our incident.csv sample file. This is basically a ServiceNow ITSM incident management file that contains the details about 1,000 incidents. A fake data. So that's all about the infrastructure. Now we are going to install the necessary Python modules. For that, pip install NumPy and Pandas. We are installing the NumPy and Pandas modules. Yes, the installation has been completed, and that's it. Also make sure that you are using the latest kernel. It is 3.121 always, because so that we can avoid some dependency issues or some obsolete warnings and all. Once we have installed the module, then we have to import the Pandas and NumPy modules. In the Pandas and NumPy community, people used to import it Pandas as PD and NumPy as NP, because we have to use the same naming in lot of areas. So rather than writing a lengthy name, we are using an alias. So our modules are ready now. And also our sample data is here. All we need is to import the data from here. So I'll go for, okay, I'll delete it from here. Okay, so for that we have to create a data frame. Data frame is as simple as NumPy or the Pandas. Panda is a framework or a data science Python module, right? So we have a set of data. We should make sure that the data will be aligned with the Pandas wrapper. So we are going to wrap it up with the pandas. So for that, we will be doing pd dot read csv, and in bracket we would be providing the incident.csv. Okay, for now we will define this. The soon we will be updating one more parameter here. Okay, so we are executing it well. Next is going to be df.info. That will provide you a high level details about this sample data. We have a 30 column data and we have 1,000 rows in it. I'll show you 1,000 entries. Here is our 30 column 0 to 29. Now, much more better way. Here we will be getting the column headers, each column headers, and the values and value type, and here we have the data type as well. Next, df.shape will provide you the dimension. It is 1,000 row 30 column table. Perfect. Now we are going to do df.head, and we want to know a high level details about our data frame. So the df head will provide you a first five rows and all the columns, so that we will understand what all the parameters are present in our table. So df head has provided that details. Next important parameter is df, and I'm going to print a value incident number. So incident number is a unique value in this table, right? It's a unique value. Perfect. So we are going to update this as an index column so that it would be easy for us to do the analysis part. We will discuss this in detail in the upcoming sessions. So we have the index number now, we have everything in place, and df shape, it is happening, df head, it is happening, then df incident number, sorry. Now df we have to provide, because we already moved that incident number as our index column, so we have to deal with the other columns. So how do you print all other columns? You can just like that print like this. So all that particular column details will be printed here, right? Now if you want to select the column 998, the incident details, how do we get that? It is as simple as we will go for incident underscore dot locate. In this we are going to locate a parameter. So what we have to do here, in that we would be providing the primary key here. The incident number is, let's say we need 998. If we put that, it would be printing the 998 parameters, right? That incident short description and all the details pertaining to that incident, right? And if I need, I don't want, because this is quite messy, right? Because it prints all the columns here and the values here. I want only the priority. I don't want anything else. In that case, I can define the value so that that's going to be priority. I'll define it here so that low. So this way we can easily filter the data from it. All right. Now we are going to collect the statistical data. So assume that we have the 998 incident number is low priority. Now we need to figure it out how many low priority tickets are there. For that, the method is pretty straightforward, df.log. So before that, let's print the whole data. Or rather, I will define here df.log priority. It would be printing all the numbers, right? Now we are going to do a condition here, df.location, locate, and we have to put it here. Inside this df.loc, we have given this wrapper df priority. In the sense, it is printing all the priorities here, priority columns here. Equal to equals, we are going to put the condition low, all the low priority tickets to be printed here. Let's look at it. So it has been printed all the low. Let's keep each session minimal, a 10 to 15 key points or a 10-minute video per episode. This will make us easy learning and understanding. So we will see you in our next video, and we will do a lot of exercises and make the concept crisp and clear. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.